Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a baking video, which is very exciting for me. I've been wanting to do a video like this for ages. I actually show you guys some of my baking and my favorite recipes in my vlogs, but I've never done like a dedicated main channel baking video. And I feel like with everything that's going on in the world right now, we all just need a little escape, and I personally find baking to be very relaxing, and it's just like a chance to put on some music, find a recipe that you want to make, and just literally distract yourself for an hour and make something really yummy that you can enjoy afterwards. And that's what I want to do today. I've got two recipes that I've found on the Tropika website. One of them is my all-time favorite salted caramel protein bars, which I'm pretty sure I've actually told you guys about before, but I did mention to you that I wasn't able to make them unless I borrowed my mum's food processor. And have I got some news for you? Your girl has got a food processor, and I just want to give a massive shout out to Tropika because they saw my video where I mentioned that I really enjoyed making these salted caramel protein bars, but like I couldn't because I didn't have the right food processor and blah blah blah. And they reached out to me and they said that they really wanted to gift a food processor to me, and I still to this day am so blown away by that gesture. You guys know I work with Tropika very frequently. Today's video is sponsored by them. They are very close to my heart and I adore them, and they didn't have to do that, but they did. And so I want to celebrate today by making my salted caramel protein bars for you guys. So that is one of the recipes that I'm going to be making. And then I'm also going to be making some chocolate peanut butter protein muffins. So I really want this video to just be super relaxing for you guys to watch. I want you to just distract yourself from the rest of the world for the next 10 to 15 minutes of this video. And yeah, I'm going to basically stop talking and just do a bit of like a cooking montage with some nice relaxing music over the top, and then we'll come together at the end and do a taste test of the goodies that I make. Ben is due home in the next hour and a half, so he might be here to do the taste test as well. We will see. I hope you guys are all staying happy and healthy and staying at home, of course, washing your hands properly, sanitizing your hands properly, all of that jazz. And yeah, that's gonna be it from me for now. So I'm going to jump straight into, let's make the muffins first. Taste test time. They stayed in the oven for like a little bit too long, hence they're a little bit darker on the top than what they should be, but that's okay. I'm sure they will still taste amazing. I'm so excited to try these. I also added in some sneaky chocolate chips as well because like I just couldn't resist, and I had some in the pantry, so of course I had to use them. Pretty damn good. Pretty good. It's all stuck to the bottom of the casing, whatever you call it. So I would recommend probably not using one of these, but tastes really good. And also if you don't add in the chocolate chips like I did, then this recipe would be completely vegan, and it's also gluten-free because you use buckwheat flour instead of normal flour, and all of the Tropika products are gluten-free as well, so that is a bonus. We're gonna do a taste test. Well, I've already tasted the muffin, Ben hasn't. We're gonna half a muffin and half one of the protein bars. We've had dinner, so this is like our dessert to finish off the video and finish off the day. What do you want to try first? Come into the camera. Come say hello. They never get to see you. Oh, you're too tall anyway. Bend down. You like it? Tastes like the loaf, hey? Alright, let's try this one together because I haven't tried this one yet. Cheers.
Cool. Good.
Just as good as last time?
I saw the chocolate in my mouth.
Oh. That's really good. I'm still focused on my face. It's not working. It's really good.
That's some salty.
I reckon the salted caramel protein's my favorite just because they nailed the flavor of it. It's really good.
It's more salty here.
So good. Success?
Yeah.
I just won't use the pieces next time.
Better enough.
I'm going to finish off the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do some baking. What are you doing? They can see right into our fridge when we open it. They can see all of our junk food snacks. What? You want it? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me baking, and then I hope it distracted you from everything else that's going on in the world right now. Don't forget to take some time for yourself, and if you enjoy baking, I feel like it's a really fun activity to just like take your mind off of everything. It gets you away from social media, away from the news, put a playlist on, and yeah, it's just nice and fun and relaxing. So and you get to eat some stuff afterwards, which is the best part. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Now more than ever, we need your support because things are going to be tough for the next few months. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well if you are new here and become a part of the family. Cooper's down there licking the rest of his bowl from dinner, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!